So it goes to our app.yaml. It sees there is a handler which matches the request because we have example.star, which means anything beginning with example. And by the way, sorry, there should be a / here. So example is being matched and it sends it to the script main.example. And we are lucky enough that we have this request mapped in our router, in our example router. So it goes ahead and the request is handled by some handler. Okay, great. Second case, example_3. Again, app.yaml sees it matches this handler because it begins with example, so it sends it to the main.example. However, main.example doesn't have this request mapped in the router, so it returns a 404 because this request, example_3, is not found in the router. Okay. Third case, /some_example. It can no longer be handled by the first line because it doesn't start with the example. It starts with some underscore. Okay, so this is why it falls back to the second case where we catch anything else, and the app.yaml says, okay, the script that needs to process this request is main.app, and main.app router has again the route path, the path routed in it /some example, so it is again handled by some handler. And the last case is where we delete the generic case and we still send the same request, and since it's no longer matching this URL because it begins with some underscore, app.yaml returns a 404. Okay, so hopefully you're seeing how routing requests works in App Engine. This is going to be a mental concept we need to learn, and we are going to be working with it all the time throughout the development of our App Engine application. I hope this is not too long. If you still feel like you haven't fully grasped this concept, please go ahead and play with the application just like I did. I opened up a new router right here, opened up a new handler in the app.yaml, play around, see how you can get requests being handled and requests not being handled by the application, and I'm sure you'll learn the concept. In any case, don't worry, because we will be working so much with these handlers that I'm sure you will learn in the course how routing works in App Engine. So the correct answer was a 404 not found error. Why is this?